guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Today we are doing one of my favorite types of videos. We're doing a haul video. It is Friday, so I do apologize that it came out so late this week. I usually try to get the haul videos up on Tuesday for you guys. We had a lot going on this week, and yesterday I did want to tell you guys about the glitch that happened so you could avoid messing up your stores too. So it didn't happen until today, Friday, but it's happening. We're doing a haul video. Better late than never, right? All right, so let's just jump right in. Last Sunday, Keith and I went to 2 Goodwills. We spent a total of $129.20 on 77 items. That comes out to an average of $1.67, $1.68 per item, which is pretty good. Obviously, you guys can tell by that number that we did not purchase a lot of the 99-cent items. We got a lot of the half-off items, and we paid up for quite a few. We found some really good stuff, though, so we paid up. We did. It happens. I'm going to show it to you. You're going to see that it was totally worth it. So blue was 99 cents, and red was half off. We are going to start with the plushies. Check this guy out. Isn't he totally adorable? This little koala bear is on a tree. Look, he even has toenails. You see them? He even has little toenails. He is so cute. He is an Animal Planet, and he was only 50 cents. Look at the little leaf in his mouth. I just love him. I might keep him. I don't know. He's so cute. Then we have Bugs Bunny. This is a cute little Bugs Bunny. He's laying down. And he was 99 cents. Oh, no depth perception at all. Did you see that? I'm like, here, look at the tag way over here. 99 cents. And this little guy was, it's on his nose, he was 50 cents. I'm not sure if this is Bullwinkle or not. It is a moose. He has a bee. His tag is really vintage. It says 1982, but it even just looks old, if you could see it. But I'll do some research. I don't want to call him Bullwinkle if he's not Bullwinkle and get in any kind of trouble. All right. So like I said, the blue was 99, red was half off. We're going to start with the jerseys we have here. This was 99 cents. It's the Flyers. I'm assuming it's the Philadelphia Flyers. It's a polo shirt, kind of like a polo jersey. It's a really good size. It's a 2XL. So for 99 cents, heck yeah, all day long. Then there's this Texans NFL. This was a blue tag, so it was 99 cents. But this one's cool because that side's white, and when you flip it inside out, it's reversible. That side's blue. Isn't that cool? And then these were really super cool. So I saw this pink peeking out from the rack, and I went over and I wanted to see what it was because it's a pink jersey, right? Y'all, it's new with tags. It is Reebok official NFL team apparel. It was 99 cents. And it's new with tags. So it is also the Texans. And this one is shop number 10. But the best part is, I pulled the pink one off, and guess what was behind it? This one. Also new with tags. Also Texans. This is young number 10. So I pulled that one off, and guess what was behind it? Another one. New with tags. That one's also young. And then, guess what was behind that one? Another one. Also new with tags. This is another shop number 8. So I got 4 Reebok NFL jerseys for 99 cents each. All different colors. All new with tags. That was such an amazing find. I was so excited about that. All right, moving on. This Keith has already photographed and listed, so it does not have the price tag on it. It was 99 cents. It's Hager, which isn't that great of a brand, but this is a really good size. It's double XL, and it is a linen blend. And it has nice graphics. It has bamboo shoots. So, it's linen, which is always something you want to grab up regardless of the brand. At least we do. We do really well with linen clothing. And it has nice graphics on it, and it's a really good size. It's a double XL men's. So, for 99 cents, that was a steal. And then we have this Rainforest Cafe. I think Keith cut the tag off of this one also. He got into my haul pile because it took, yeah, well, it's coming out late this week. So, usually, like I said, I try to do these haul videos by Tuesday, and Keith gets his stuff back to photograph and list. And obviously, I take all the best stuff out of our sourcing trips for the haul videos. And so, I think some of these he's cut the tags off of and already photographed, so that's okay. This was 99 cents. I do remember that because I was very excited. It is a Rainforest Cafe. It has a frog on it, and it's just a nice polo shirt. It's an extra large. I always say the Hard Rock Cafe, the Rainforest Cafe, all those kinds of things, you want to grab those shirts if you see them. They do definitely have a following, and they do pretty well, especially for 99 cents. This was a blue tag, so it's also 99 cents. I'm going to try this on. I'm going to see if it fits me. If it fits me, I'm probably keeping this one because it's Deadpool. This one was 99 cents. Can you see the tag? And it's also not, it's a brand we've actually never heard of. John Ashford. I think I've heard of it. I shouldn't have said I've never heard of it. I probably have heard of it, but it's definitely not like a Bolo brand. But 99 cents for a extra large polo shirt. Sorry, my hair keeps getting out. And it has nice graphics. It has like golfers on it. You see them? And I know I've said this before, but sometimes it's not about the brand. Sometimes it's about the way the shirt looks. If a shirt looks nice, it's a good size, and it has really good graphics on it, especially men's clothing, and the price is right, like $2 or less. Sometimes brand doesn't matter if it has the good graphics, because men like nice looking t-shirts with good graphics. So sometimes it's not about the brand. This one was red, so it was $2.80. It's London Fog. Dun-dun-dun. And it is a button front plaid shirt. Pretty good brand, pretty decent, and good size. It's a large. Y'all are gonna laugh when you see this brand. 99 cents, blue tag. See it? Yep, J. Crew. Keith grabbed about 5 of these. This was a yellow plaid button down, long sleeve, and he's got about 4 more J. Crew shirts over there. And I'll tell you why. J. Crew does really well on Posh. Believe it or not, J. Crew is a Bolo brand for Poshmark. It does really well over there. It fetches higher prices than it can get on eBay. It moves faster. It's a different platform, so it has different buyers and different crowds like different things. And J. Crew is a Bolo brand. So if you're on Poshmark, J. Crew, source it for real. Y'all think I'm joking. I'm really not. I didn't believe it either, but it's true. Alright, you guys, this is a Disneyland. It is a 2XL, which is a really super good size. It was 99 cents. And it's like this vintage guy from the 50s. Turkey legs, nice and juicy. Walt Disney World. Definitely worth 99 cents. Okay, now we're getting down to the jeans. But before I get into the jeans, I'm going to show you my super awesome... I just knocked my hippo over. Take 2. So, I found this brand new in box gift set. Look at this. The coasters, there's 4 mugs and 4 coasters, and they're still wrapped in their plastic. It's in the box. It has this, whatever you call this stuff. I know that, and it has a ribbon, so when I put the lid back, after I take the photos and put the lid back on, this ribbon goes on the outside. What a great find for fourth quarter for the holiday season. This show is super hot right now. A lot of people love this show. We're coming up close to Christmas, and this is a new in-box 4 mug and coaster set of Game of Thrones. I paid $6 for it, but I'm pretty confident that I'm going to be able to get 50 to 60, maybe even more. So I was definitely willing to pay $6 for that. This hippo just doesn't want to be on the table right now. And then I found the Great Muppet Caper, Old McDonald's Cup. Many of you that are my age will remember this. It's from 1981. Can you see that? Probably not because of the light, but it is from 1981, and it was 99 cents. And then also for 99 cents, wow, this light. There you go. Also 99 cents. This is Sunshine Bear. Wow, this light. Can you see the bear? It is a Care Bears Funshine Bear. Sorry, not Sunshine. She's a Funshine Bear. It's from Pizza Hut. It's a collector series, limited edition. I'm looking for a date. I don't see a date. Why does Pizza Hut not put a date on their glasses? When McDonald's, oh, here it is. I'm blind. This is from 1983. So I got 2 vintage glasses, 99 cents a piece. Now we will go ahead and get into the jeans. I found some amazing jeans, you guys. I am absolutely thrilled. I did pay up for most of them. I'm going to show you, there's about 10 pair here, I think. I had another 12 that were bread and butter brands that I paid 99 cents for that I'm not showing in the haul video. These are my awesome finds from Sunday. So this is a red tag. So I paid $3.50 for these. They're men's. Men's jeans always fetch a higher price, even if it's only a couple of bucks. And they're J. Crew. So these will definitely be cross-posted to Poshmark. Next, you guys will recognize this brand. It's Miss Me jeans. They have just a barb. Our Goodwill is moving to a system where all the like items are going to have a starting price, the same price, and so they're not going to have tags anymore. They're just going to have colored barbs, and you'll know by the color of the barb if it's half off or 99 cents on the sale day. And all jeans are going to be universally starting at $6.99 regardless of brand. That's good news for brands like Miss Me and Silver and True Religion. Some of those they used to start at like 10 or 12, so these will be starting at 7, which is good. But then for my bread and butter brands, I am absolutely going to have to wait until they're on sale to get them, because I'm not getting bread and butter brands for $7, and in most cases I'm not even willing to pay the $3.50 for a lot of my bread and butter brands. But it is good news for the really awesome brands to be only $6.99. They used to keep these in a case and charge like $20 sometimes. So I am excited that all the Miss Me's will be $7.99 starting out. So I did pay, or did I say $7.99? I meant $6.99. I paid $7 basically. And this has a yellow barb, so it was also $7. This pair is True Religion. I really like these because they have like the different colored contrast stitching, and they're like a vintagey wash kind of. I got another pair of True Religion. You guys, I was hitting the good jeans this past weekend. That's yellow. So I paid $6.99 for these also. These are distressed. They have tears and holes and rips, and for whatever reason, jeans that are ripped and have holes are more desirable. These are Levi silver tab. I paid $3.50. It's a red tag, so it's half off. I got a pair of silver jeans. These are the Francis red tag, so I paid $3.50 for these. These are also distressed with rips and tears and holes, and that makes them more desirable. Another pair of silver jeans. These ones were yellow barbs, so I did pay $7 for them. These are Suki. I do pretty well with the silver Sukis. Alright guys, just a couple more. I got a women's pair of J. Crew. These are the boot cuts. I usually do really well with the matchstick and the toothpick, but boot cut is a desirable style as well. So for $3.50, I picked this up because they do well on Posh. And last pair of jeans is Paige. I paid $7 for these. These are the Paige Hidden Hills. I was not familiar with, I've only ever found one pair of Paige before. So I did comp these in the store, and it looks like I'll be starting them out at around $40, $45. So I was willing to pay $7 for those. And then last week I showed you guys a pair of corduroys I had. They were Prana, and I said I wasn't familiar with that brand, but I was willing to try it for 99 cents. And a lot of you commented or sent me messages saying that Prana is a really good brand. So it's my new Bolo brand, you guys. And that's what I love about 99-cent days. A lot of times when I find stuff that I've never heard of before and it's only 99 cents, I'm like, whatever, I'll chance it, and I bring it home. And sometimes you find out that, oh my gosh, never again, that don't ever buy that brand again. But a lot of the brands that I've discovered to be really worth it, like that flip for a good amount of money, or flip really fast, or definitely a Bolo, are things that I just chanced. I just bought for 99 cents, brought it home, and discovered, oh my gosh. Actually, the first pair of silver jeans I ever got was 99 cents. So, yeah, Prana's my new Bolo. Now, these aren't corduroys or jeans or anything. They're just khaki slacks. But for 99 cents, obviously, I brought them home. And I will be putting them on eBay and Posh. So we'll see what happens. So that is all of the stuff I wanted to show you today in the haul video. Let me know what you think below, and let me know what you've been sourcing. Did you get any good deals? Are you going to be going out tomorrow or Sunday to source? We will be, and so then I'll have another haul video for you next week, of course. But let me know if you guys are sourcing and what you're finding, and like this video if you would. I'm sorry, I heard a cha-ching and I lost all train of thought. Like this video if you would. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We're at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.